Hi guys, today we learn about how to fix if app is not installed on your Android phone on a Play Store. So let's start it. First of all, you need to click your icon image in the top right of the screen. Now click settings, click network preferences, click app download and you need to click and select over any network and press OK. So after that you need to open settings, click more settings, open app manager. Now you open Google Play Store, click storage and clear cache, and now click clear data. After that now you click Google Play Services, click storage and click clear cache. After that just restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, your problem will be fixed and app is installing properly on your Android phone. So this is how you can solve your problem if app is not installed on your Android phone. So thanks for watching.